A charming residence. Located in Midi Pyrénées, France. It offers 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. This 360 square meters historic estate, on 11 hectares of land, offers open valley views, privacy, and strong architectural character. The main building retains its original features: stone fireplaces, thick limestone walls, terracotta floors, and a vaulted lower level with cellars and service rooms. Generous reception rooms, a well-proportioned kitchen, a grand stone staircase, and multiple ensuite bedrooms all face the surrounding parkland. Traditional outbuildings include a stone barn, a guest house, and a bread oven, while the grounds feature landscape gardens, mature trees, a pool, meadows, and a stream with walking paths. Well suited as a private home, second residence, or hospitality venture thanks to its space, history, and peaceful setting near village amenities. The asking price is €1,490,000. For more information, see the property listing in the description below. Thank you for watching.